will tour you around the cotton fabric factory. We are making a lot of cotton fabrics each year. And in this video, I'm going to show you a series of fabrics. One machine can produce about 250 meters, 24 hours. We totally have 30 machines. That is to say, 1 month we can produce nearly about more than 200,000 meters, which is about 5 containers 40 feet high fuel. So let's go. Cotton fabrics, we have a very good package. You can see that we have a very tight end. You see the end is very nice. You don't have to worry about the quality. You don't have to worry about the package. Very nice package, very nice quality.